Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander, and let me show you how to reset all trip history statistics at once. So at the very beginning, before we start, let me explain how to navigate in instrument cluster. You need to use those arrows left and right to go left and right, confirm by pressing the OK button, and just scroll by using the OK button as a scroller. Alright, so if you know the basics, let's just jump into the instrument cluster. So let me make it bigger for you. Alright, so now let me here highlight the I information, as you can see here. And here you need to use the scroller to find the following information: drive computer, since reset. So now if you would like to reset those statistics, let's just hold the OK button and you should find those information right here. So selecting this option, reset all of your trip data at the exact time. It clears your average speed, fuel usage, electric energy usage, trip distance, and driving time back to 0. So if you would like to do this, let's press all and confirm it by pressing yes again. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.